Welcome, beautiful soul. Wherever you are right now, this is your moment to pause. This is your time to come home to your breath, your body, and the quiet peace that's always waiting beneath the noise. You don't need to fix anything, force anything, or understand anything. You're simply here to breathe, to be in this present moment, and to know that calm isn't something you find, it's something you return to. And this meditation will take you on a journey to do just that. So when you found a comfortable seat, gently close your eyes and bring your awareness to your breath. Place one hand over your heart and the other hand over your belly. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale softly through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm. And breathe out everything that feels heavy. With each breath, feel your body beginning to settle. The space between your eyebrows soften. The muscles of your face relax. Feel your shoulders drop down. Placing your hands down on your thighs or beside you. Relax your arms and feel the flow of relaxation all the way down to your fingertips. Your torso relaxes. Feel yourself sinking into the chair beneath you. Leg muscles relax. Moving your attention through your knees. Relaxing your lower legs all the way down to your toes. Energy pulsing through your body from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. You don't need to be anywhere else other than here in this present moment. Right now, you're safe, you're supported, and you're exactly where you're meant to be. Let your breath become your anchor, steady, rhythmic, and peaceful. Imagine now you're standing in a beautiful park. The sun hangs low in the morning sky, pouring soft golden light through the canopy of tall, graceful trees. Their leaves shimmer with dew, tiny diamonds catching the light. The air is fresh and slightly cool, carrying the earthy scent of grass, moss, and wildflowers. Beneath your bare feet, the ground is soft and alive. Green grass, clover, the earth yielding slightly as you walk. Each step connects you deeper to the energy of the earth, grounding you, steadying you. As you walk, the light filters through the branches above, creating patterns of gold and shadow that dance on your skin. You can hear the rustle of leaves. They're swaying in the breeze. And somewhere in the distance, the rhythmic song of birds high in the trees. The park is surrounded by light. life. The faint hum of bees, the whisper of wind across the treetops, the gentle trickle of water from a nearby stream that winds its way towards the lake. The air feels spacious here, open and light. When you breathe in, you can almost taste the sweetness of nature itself, the faint perfume of jasmine, the clean scent after the rain. As you move towards the lake, the trees open into a wide clearing. The sunlight glows and dances across the water, turning it into sparkles of light. Ripples move across the surface, glimmering silver and gold. You breathe in deeply. The air is fresh and alive. You can smell the sweetness of wildflowers nearby, the faint, earthy scent of soil and morning dew. A light breeze pushes against your skin. You continue to breathe in peace and exhale heaviness and tension. You walk closer to the lake until the grass turns into smooth pebbles. You sit down at the edge, feeling the warmth of the sun resting on your shoulders and the coolness of the lake as you dip your feet in. The water is crystal clear. You can see the tiny fish darting around. Small leaves are floating past, the sunlight bending and shifting beneath the surface. There's a soft breeze that pushes against your face, and it feels like the world is breathing with you, rising and falling in the same rhythm. The birds continue to sing, a quiet background symphony that blends perfectly with the quiet rustle of the leaves and the lapping of water against the shore. You lean back on your hands, lift your face to the sun, and feel the warmth spreading through you, dissolving tension, washing away your thoughts. And here in this moment, time slows. Every sound, every scent, every sensation invites you deeper and deeper into peace. You feel whole, connected, alive. And here in this space, take a moment to really feel where you are. You see the golden shimmer of light on the water. You hear the soft hum of life all around you. Birds, the breeze, the rustling leaves. You smell the fresh scent of grass and earth. You can taste the clean, crisp air as you breathe. you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the weight of your body on the earth grounding you below. Every sense brings you deeper into this present moment, anchored, calm, completely here. Now imagine your thoughts as ripples on the surface of the lake. When thoughts come into your mind, at first they move around quickly, stirred by wind and worry. But as you mindfully slow down your breath, your thoughts, they float away, and the water, it begins to still. Each inhale smoothing the surface of the lake, each exhale bringing more and more stillness. You don't have to chase your thoughts or push them away. Just notice them and let them float by. You are not your thoughts. You are the calm beneath them. As the mind quiets, clarity begins to appear, like sunlight breaking through the mist. Silently or out loud, repeat after me. My mind is calm. My body is relaxed and grounded. I am centered in peace. I am clear, focused, and present. Calm is my natural state. Let these words settle into every cell of your being. This is who you are beneath all of the noise. This is your truth. Now bring your attention to your heart. Feel a quiet sense of gratitude begin to rise within you for your body, for this breath, for the calm that you've created. And whisper softly to yourself, I am calm. I am clear. I am present. And breathe. Take a slow, steady, deep breath in. And gently exhale. Grounding this peace into your body. And as you begin to return from this meditation, know that this sense of calm is always within you, waiting, patient, steady, ready to be felt whenever you choose to pause and breathe. Gently begin to move your fingers and your toes, bringing your awareness back to your physical body. Take one last deep breath in through your nose, feeling centered, grateful, and focused. And exhale through your mouth. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. If this meditation helped you return to calm, take a moment to like this video and share it with someone who needs peace today. And remember, it's never too late to come home to yourself. Namaste.